Hi, this is John with WTI, and lately I've been trying to improve more on my sleep. And a friend of mine recommended me, John, why don't you change your pillowcase? And I was like, my pillowcase is okay. It's cotton, it's no problem. I wash it once, twice a week. But she told me, no, get a satin one. You'll feel the difference. And then's when I found this guy here. This pillowcase made out of satin that is feels so comfortable. But I was doing my research on this. So one thing I like for this is that it actually helps you with your skin health. Most of the texture or fabrics, just like cotton, they could be breaking down your skin. So this one, satin, makes things easier on you, and not only for your skin, even your hair. It helps you with not being not to having not much freeze whenever you're sleeping, and your conditioning your hair just stays nice. Plus the cooling effect and comfortable, the luxury that you feel like you're in a hotel while you're sleeping, it's just great. So if you're looking for a pillowcase that is gotta look nice, it's gotta be in a great look at this color. I even like it. We even match it. Yeah, it's gonna be nice. This case, satin pillowcase, it just works great. This was John with WTI. That's my point of view.